Hey everyone, we're at Red Robin. We got pretzel bites with beer cheese and we have mustard to eat with them as well. Water with lemon. Here's the seasoning that you can put on fries, but I don't like it. It's so salty. Gluten-free, hey.
This stuff good?
Yeah. My Coke's coming right now. It's very empty in here.
It's weird.
I like it. I'll show you when my food gets... Hey everyone, this is dinner. These onion straws go on the burger. And it's just a double tavern burger. And there's fries and my ranch. So this is dinner. Hey everyone, I'm at the grocery store. Of course, I'm gonna do another grocery haul for you guys. These are so cheap. It's like, really? Down the spaghetti aisle. Shop with me, shop with me, shop with me. I don't like this rice. I do not care for jasmine rice at all. Not good. I like brown rice, white rice, fried rice. Oh, you know, all the unhealthy stuff. It's okay though. Crispy fried onions. So, I have stuff to make mini pizzas. All I need is mini pepperonis. That's it. And the buns. Excuse me. need to go down the ketchup aisle. How are ya?
I am good. How are you? Didn't
Good.
see you today.
Good. No, I wasn't. I was there yesterday, not today.
Oh, okay, God.
I'm done with my internship, so I can't leave it so much.
Oh, darn, huh?
Yeah, it's worth it though.
Yeah.
Okay, what sauce should we try, you guys? I need to quit the habit of saying you guys. I really need to stop. Because you guys are not all men. This looks really good. Honey mustard. I don't like horseradish. Wasabi. Extra hot horseradish. Oh boy. Sorry. I'm so picky with my ranch. It has to be like, I don't know. I like restaurant ranch, not ranch in a bottle. I'm just so picky. So picky. Caesar ranch, classic ranch, peppercorn ranch, cucumber ranch.
Supervisor, call 160, please. Supervisor, 160.
Well, I need to see what this is. I'll be right back. And I do think it's funny how people are going on a vegan diet or whatever. You never tell someone you're going on a diet because they'll catch you in any little thing that you eat. So it's never good to tell anyone you're going on a diet and just do it. Because that's what happens. So crazy. Even if I thought about going on a diet, I wouldn't tell anyone. Okay. Old style. 12 grain bread. Alright, you guys, I'll show you my haul when I get home. Hey everyone, I'm back with the grocery haul for you all. I was going to say with you all. I just got a few things. I only spent $130, not too much. And I just wanted to say the meals that I make, it's my way. If you hear other crews saying, oh, that's gross, we make mini pizzas on bagels or this or that. That's your decision what you make them on. I know many people here that make them on hamburger buns and we like it. So it is what it is. So I'm just going to clarify that real quick. So let's jump right into the haul. I got 2 things of 18 eggs. We eat a lot of eggs, a lot of protein in this house. Protein as well as carbs. That's okay though. I got a thing of Kraft Zesty Italian because I'm going to make a pasta salad, which I'll show you in a few minutes here. So I got Zesty Italian for that. And then I'm going to have Zesty Italian with this English cucumber. And this cucumber is from Nature Fresh Farms from Canada. So let's focus, camera. Focus. Here. There we go. Many people want to know where I get my cucumbers, so I don't know why, but they want to know. I got a thing of radishes. A quarter of a pound of hard salami for sandwiches. A bag of ice for my cold ice water that I love. I got a bag of the Smart Food popcorn white cheddar. I love this, and it's only $2 for this huge bag. This bag is 8.5 ounces, and it's only $2 here, so it's pretty cheap. And on the healthier side, so I got that. I got a bundle of cilantro. It's cilantro, if you don't understand what I'm saying. And then I got 5 big baking potatoes, 1.5 pounds of jalapenos, 5 pounds of Roma tomatoes. Gotta make that homemade salsa. A thing of classic chicken gravy for chicken rice and gravy that Christina got me hooked on. A thing of sliced black olives for my pasta salad. Okay, I think we'll go to this one next. I got a pack of Golden Plump. This is the best chicken that there is. This is the best. So good, so fresh. Farm to house, it's fresh. And this was $10.89, and it gave me 5 boneless chicken breasts. I got a thing of turkey pepperonis for my mini pizzas. A big pack, a 24 pack of the Frigo Cheesehead swirls with the, I think it's, what is it, cheddar and mozzarella. Yeah, so I got that. That was like $7. A thing of diced ham. This was $4. Thing of Daisy sour cream. This is the bigger one, 1.5 pounds. A thing of Deli Fresh mesquite turkey breast. A big pack of Ballpark bun-sized beef franks. See, I don't like the bar brand, the cheap generic hot dogs, or Oscar Mayer. I just don't. We love these Ballpark hot dogs. So, it's just my opinion and my opinion only. Not offending anyone, not trying to. I got a thing of cream cheese. Well, actually, I got 2 of these because I'm going to be making taco dip. A thing of Dean's French onion dip. A package of Kobe and Monterey Jack cheese, shredded cheese for my pizzas or anything. I want to put it on. Stadium brats. Okay. And here's my other thing of cream cheese. Supremo queso fresco, fresh cheese. They call it the Mexican cheese. I know I'm not being racist. No, I'm not being judgmental. That's what they call it. And then the Borden Kobe Jack and Monterey slices for sandwiches. And I got the big thing of 120 combination pizza rolls. 2 bags of the Smiley mashed potatoes. These are only $2. And they're so good. They're mashed potatoes inside. They're yummy. Yummy, yummy. Yummy. Nah, I'm just kidding. And I got a big bag of crispy chicken dippers. They're like chicken tenders, but fries mixed together. So I got those. Those were like $8. I got a thing of TGI Fridays potato skins. I'm going to have these maybe today for lunch. I'm going to see. Let me see how long they take here. Because, you know, when I'm hungry, I got to eat. You know. Yeah, they only take 21 minutes. So, yeah, we'll put those in the oven. Oh, yeah. So, I got those. And then I got Farm Rich mozzarella bites, which are so yummy. Okay, I'll be back. I'm going to put this stuff away, and then I'll be back with my last bag and my gallons of milk. All right, everyone. I'm snacking on some ranch chips. So, going on with my haul, I got hamburger buns for my mini pizzas. Hot dog buns for those stadium brats. 2 things of the Gardettos. These were only $1, so I picked up 2. Thing of angel hair pasta for spaghetti. Here's that pasta salad I'm going to make. Classic pasta salad. It's so good. A thing of less sodium chicken broth. Nescafe. Traditional Prego. The best. One and only the best. And 2 things of black beans. So, this is my haul, you all, and I'm going to get this uploaded early today. I thank you all so much for watching, and please comment, like, and subscribe. And remember to hit that notification bell to know when I upload my next video and all of my videos. I just wanted to say we are about, I would say, 18 people away from 1,000 subscribers. So there will be a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers, and I will be able to go live on YouTube again. So let's get there. Thank you, everyone. See you in the next video. Bye. Okay, you guys, I said I was going to end my video, but I'm not. I just made the potato skins. They have cheese and bacon on them, and then Totino's sausage pizza, and I added Colby cheese. So let's dig in. Hey everyone, this is a new fridge we bought. The box is like all bashed up because I wanted to open it in the store and see what it looked like and everything. So yeah, that's why the box looks like this. But yeah, this is our new fridge, and it's 4.6 cubic foot. So it's pretty tall. It comes up to my chest. So look at Dulce. She's like, Mom, what is this? Dulce, no! Alright, you all. So this is the new fridge. Oh, yes. So, here that is. Eggs right there. And then, the top freezer, it's already, look at that frost already. It's been in for 1 hour. So, I'm going to start putting drinks in.